In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the best Turo promo codes. Everyone loves a good deal, especially when it comes to booking car rentals for your next adventure. Turo is a popular platform for renting vehicles, and there are several ways to find promo codes that can help you save money. Let's dive into some effective strategies to uncover those elusive promo codes and ensure you're getting the best possible deal. To begin, one of the first places you should check is Turo's official promo page. This page is designed specifically to list any current deals directly from Turo. It's always a good idea to start here because you'll find reliable and up-to-date information straight from the source. When you visit Turo's promo page, pay close attention to the details provided on how to apply any available codes during your booking process. Next, consider using well-known coupon sites. Websites like coupons.com, Simply Codes, and Wethrift are excellent resources for tracking down a variety of promo codes, including those for Turo. These sites aggregate promo codes from different places, making it easy to find what you're looking for in one spot. Do a quick search for Turo on any of these platforms, and you might stumble upon some hidden gems that could substantially reduce your rental costs. Another effective strategy is to subscribe to Turo's email list or notifications. By doing this, you'll be among the first to know about exclusive promo offers that Turo might send out to their subscribers. Often, companies will distribute special discounts and deals via email, so having access to these communications could give you an edge in finding the best promotions available. If you happen to know someone who frequently uses Turo, leverage this connection by asking for their referral code. Referral codes are a win-win situation. They can provide you with a discount, and your friend might also receive a bonus for referring you. Don't hesitate to reach out and see if your circle of friends or family has a code to share. Lastly, don't overlook the power of community platforms like travel forums and Reddit. These spaces are filled with savvy users who frequently share and discuss the latest promo codes and deals. Searching through posts on topics related to Turo or rental car discounts can yield useful information about fresh or even region-specific promo codes that you might not find elsewhere. By exploring these strategies, you'll be well equipped to secure fantastic savings on your next Turo reservation. Remember, being proactive in your search and utilizing all available resources is key to finding the best promo codes. Happy savings and enjoy the ride.